Well, friend, uh, hello all. This side Karthik. Welcome to Tech Solution channel. I'd like to request you please like my videos and share and subscribe so that I can bring new tech solution in front of you. Well, today I do have plan to show how to install VMware tools. First of all, let me demonstrate what is VMware tool and why we need the same. VMware tools is nothing but when you are going to install an operating system over VMware, they have some things which will be what will be not work in the OS. So for that, VMware tool installation is required. So moreover, VMware tools improves the performance and management of the virtual machine. This is what you can think. And you know what, VMware tools is a suite of utilities that you install in the operating system of a virtual machine. VMware tools enhance the performance of a virtual machine and it makes possible many of the features to work. Hope you are understanding my things. You know what, let me mention a bit deeply. Although the guest operating system can run without VMware tools, many more VMware features are not available until the tools installation. Okay, take an example like, you know, if you want to shut down the system, you cannot shut down the system by VMware. You need to go for the command line. Okay, suppose it's Linux system, you need to go for the command line. The command is nothing but init0. You have to execute if you will not install VMware tools. If you want to shut down the system by VMware tools, just right click on VMware here, just right click here, and then click on power button and then shut down guest. If you will install VMware tools, then only it will work, else it may not work. So, and also, you know, CD DVD here, one more thing, if you will install VMware tools, you know, let me open the terminal, I'll show you. If you will come here, CD media and hit enter key, it's not showing anything else here. Okay, it will show here one more HGFS called HGFS directory as well as our CD DVD. It will show here. Which one is not showing here? If you will install VMware tools, then only it will show here. And there have many more like this such way. Okay. So this is what, once you install Linux or any Unix operating system, you on over the VMware, you have to install VMware tools. Then only it will increase your performance, as well as without feeling any disturbance, you can work well. Getting me? So now let's follow me how and get to know how to install VMware tools step by step. Just click on VMware menu, and then click on install VMware tools. It's not a rocket science. Now VMware tools pop off, open, then close it, no issues. Come here, you need to go CD media, hit enter key, execute ls command. Here it's showing VMware tools. Then here you need to type, you need to enter in CD, in VMware CD VM ls. Here, hope you are able to see one tar file is there, zip file. So we need to copy that, just cp VM, copy to OPT or anywhere as per your convenience, and then enter in OPT ls. This is what my file. Here I can extract it. We have to extract when are going to install anything, and if that setup is zip, we need to extract it. So there are one command called tar xzvf and vm. Okay, then hit enter key. It will take few more seconds to extract. Now it's extracting. Okay, now extraction done. Execute ls command. Yes, this is showing extraction done once, and again enter in CD VMware, hit enter key ls. one.pl file is there. Here we need to give ./vm, enter. Make sure you should go step by step. Hit enter key, here hit enter key, here hit enter key, again enter, enter, enter. Just wait for few minutes. You should not go blindly enter, enter, enter like that. What is asking, read and go for it. It's depend on virtualization version. For my version, I know how to install. So if it's your VMware 11, then you can go for blindly. Then hit enter key again here, here enter, here enter. It's initializing. Also your desktop will come full screen if you install VMware Tools. That is a plus point. Here hit enter key, here hit enter key, here no issues, enter. We just need to wait for a few minutes. It's enabling the features. Here you just need to hit enter key. Well, now it's done. Just reboot the system by executing init 6. Now kernel is extracting ISO image took from grub, extracting on RAM. It has to mount all the necessary file system, and it will load all those drivers, and then it will go to init tab. In init tab, it will check which run level by default set. It used to be either in i93 else i95. Once it's found successfully, it will go to i90 dot i90 rc 2.d file, and there it will check all those process. Some process file would be there starting with S, and some process file is there starting with K. I mean, whatever process I had starting with S, it will start the process. For the OS, whatever process is not required to start, it will kill by K files. Now successfully it's asking us to log in the system, give root and password. This is what see my first of all, my Windows was, it's very small, so after installation of VMware Tools, now it's completely full screen. And not only for that, there have many more things which belongs to VMware Tools. Okay, so now I got confirmation. Once I install VMware Tools, I am too happy by looking my my Windows to perform very well my all those day-to-day activities. Okay, so friends, this is all about the installation of VMware Tools. Thanks a lot to everyone. I'd like to request you again, please like, share and subscribe my channel so that I can bring new tech solutions in front of you. Thanks once again. Thank you so much. Have a good day.